सर हमारी जो सजा ये होती थी, हमें विटामिन डी के नाम पे धूप में खड़ा कर दिया करते थे।
Experience of government sector. So why you are coming here?
I am coming here to make me professional. That's why I am coming here.
At least we are also coming here. We are also.
When you get the position,
Let me tell you one thing. Patient doesn't mean if you are not getting the proper education.
Government school teachers are very strict with their students.
Education.
Most of the students cannot afford private schools. Fee affordability.
If they can't afford, so they will took admission and they take admission. They can get admission in government school. But if I talk about the education of government school,
Quality of education
of government school, this is not good. In government school, the quality of education is not good. If I talk about the private school, their teachers are good. If we have any questions, we can ask easily. And teacher is like our friend. We can ask easily. And if I talk about the private school, so the quality of education is very good in a private school.
Yes.
How can you say that? When I took admission in private. When I was child, I took admission in private school. But when I जब मैं 6th class में पहुंचा, जब मैं 6th class में गया, when I was in 6th class, so my parents changed my decision and he was taking admission in government school because I don't know what is the noun, I did not know what is the noun, when I took admission in government school, so I know everything.
But in private school, they give you a proper syllabus. They give you a proper syllabus. They tell you the noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, the whole use of grammar. So how can you say that?
So let me say that.
Yes.
If you are talking about, they all are teaching a noun, pronoun, but there are a lot of schools in Hyderabad. They are saying that we are English medium, but still, if you are asking there, do you know English? They say no. What's the reason? If I talk about government school, still they are saying that
English medium schools and students don't know English.
that's the reason. How do you say that private sector
Why
school
they
is
don't
good?
know? They should know because teacher is telling us.
How is you also a private school?
Yes. No. Yes. English medium school but students are unaware of English language.
Because in our society there are a lot of private schools. They are taking money, and just because it's a local school, they are not higher educated school. It's a local. That's why they are not getting the proper education.
But private is private.
Schools are local.
No, it doesn't mean. No, it doesn't. No.
It means yes.
Local. Government schools are highly qualified.
Yes.
This is what a point.
No.
Yes.
It's not my point.
Clarify your point.
Yeah, I am saying that in our society, majority of the school, they are just opening the school in the small area. So that's why they are calling it a local school. So we don't say that it's a we can say easily that it's a local school, and then and children are not getting it the proper. And also nowadays children are they studying? No. So how can we blame the private
said
school?
that what you just said, I'm not agree. You said that private school are local, so it means that private school are locals because there are lots of government school also and private school also. I'm not saying that all government school are local. I'm saying all government school are higher. And you said that all government school, all private school are not same. Majority of the private school are lower and some schools are higher. So it means that private school.
According to you, government
lower.
school is better, right?
Yes,
now?
yes.
So all students are not taking. Why are they not taking admission in the
Majority of
government
the,
school? Why?
if I talk about the calculation of world, that
Yes.
65.5% children went government school and 35.95%.
But now you can just see the ratio of the. But now
Ratio
you
is
can just see
important
the.
because ratio is important. Everything demand ratio. Yeah, it's a number.
Ratio doesn't mean.
When you get the position,
Let me tell you one thing.
get the
Ratio
number.
doesn't
Number
mean
is
if you are
important.
not getting the proper education, so it doesn't mean that ratio is important.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
hand over mic to Mr. Amanullah. Amanullah, stand up. Amanullah will respond. Yes, Aisha. Yes. Start.
Thanks.
Start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum
So
I am in favor of government school. So let's begin. So, in my point of view, a government school is better than private school, because private school always take money and looting money just and if I
Looting money. Private schools
yes
are looting money.
yes
Why?
and in my point of view, if I talk about students, private students, so they are going for enjoying, just they are not going for teaching, learning, because they have not strong law and rules and regulation are important in any school.
So, if I talk about rule and regulation, so there is no rule and regulation in government schools.
So okay, then I was in private school.
How many of you have gone to government schools? How many of you have studied from government schools? How many times have you been punished in government school when you go late coming? Punishment of late coming. And if we talk about strict punishment, can you tell me one of the punishments, please? Can you mention any one of you can mention? Yes, Ahmed.
Sir,
Punishment in government school.
it is rule. It is rule.
Punishment in private school.
Yes, sir, it is rule.
Discipline.
Yes, sir. Because of rule, if any student come, सर अगर कोई स्टूडेंट लेट आता था तो उसको बाहर लाइन में खड़ा कर दिया जाता था 1 घंटे तक, या तो उससे एक्सरसाइज कराई जाती थी या तो उससे
So exercise is better than.
सर देयर इज अ रूल, सर देयर इज अ रूल, वो काट दे रहे सर.
बाल काट दे रहे,
Yes,
स्कूल में
sir.
काट दे रहे.
Yes, sir.
There is also.
सर देयर इज रूल एंड रेगुलेशन.
No, sir, there is also.
Punishment if you can mention. Any other punishment.
सर जो हम
Urdu you can mention.
सर हमारी जो सजा ये होती थी, हमें विटामिन डी के नाम पे धूप में खड़ा कर दिया करते थे.
विटामिन डी के नाम पे धूप
सर
लगा कर दिया.
सर ये भी प्राइवेट स्कूल में भी होता है और इस तरह से जिनको
वहाँ पे धूप भी नहीं होती, वहाँ पे छत के नीचे.
it is also happen in private schools as well. How can you say this?
If I talk about discipline, the government
There is no
more
discipline.
better
There is
than
no
as compared to
discipline.
private
If I
school.
talk about the classes of private government school, there is no discipline. Teachers are not treating well, and students
How
are
do you
sitting.
how did you say that? How do you say that?
Government
Yeah.
school teachers are irregular. They are not punctual.
In one
Can you prove
in
it?
one bench,
Do you have-
three
how do you say that?
three
First,
students are
answer me.
sitting.
Answer my question.
First,
Can
listen
you
to you,
prove
are not
that?
listening.
Can you prove that teacher is not treating well to student?
What?
Can you prove that? You are saying that teachers are not. क्या कहेंगे sir?
Teachers are not regular. Teachers are irregular, not punctual in class. You wanted a proof.
Yes, sir, I wanted a
Can you
proof.
prove?
Which type of proof? Tell me your answer.
Teacher
Clarify
is
your
not treating
answer.
well to student.
Question.
Teacher is not treating well in student. To student.
Teachers are treating
well.
No, teachers treat well. Like if I talk about the class, if there is 30 students, so you can easily treat them. If there is 100 students, how will you treat them
So
easily?
how do you say the 100 student in class? How do you say
No,
that?
no, there is
I am also
government
learning-
school.
I am
In
also
government
learning
school,
from
there is
government school. There are also
100,
just
200,
majority
300 students in one class.
How 100 people?
Actually, you did not visit government schools.
I'm also learning government school. How
So
do
it
you
means
say
you
that?
are telling a lie. It
How
means
can
you are telling a lie.
How can
No.
let me answer.
Still I am
Give my
learning
answer.
in
There are
government
30
school, so
there are-
I know about the situation
There are
of it.
30 student class. How can 100 people sit the class?
And as you said that university level of government from
Yes.
government side there is no system. If a
How do you say
student,
that there is no
if
system? There are a lot of
system-
universities. There
First
are
listen,
biggest
first listen
system.
me. If
If
a
I talk about
student,
they are in
if a
Asian number one.
student make any mistake in front of teacher will deduct their marks.
It's not
They
a, it's
will-
not a,
no.
it's not a actual
No,
reason.
so
It's not a
if you
actual
have-
reason.
if
What
you
are
are
saying that?
capable,
It's
you are-
not a
you
actual
have a-
reason. What are you saying that?
If you are capable, you have a.
Last one, the last guy who is sitting.
My name is Atisha Marai and I am favoring government school. That as someone mentioned that they are teaching us English. So you are learning in private school, so you must know how to speak. Why are you coming here? And there is one more point that if they go anywhere, like
Okay.
14 August come, so they go party. Anywhere they go anywhere, so they take money. But if I talk about government school, they go in children free. Why?
Celebration is free.
Sir,
Celebration is free.
if I talk about government sector, as you have a experience of government sector, so why you are coming here?
I am coming here to make me professional. That's why I am coming here.
At least we are also coming here. We are also coming here for this as well. So how can you point out that?
If I talk about my teachers, they learned from government school. Now they are teaching in private, but they are too much good. Wow. Why?
Hence prove that private school are providing the quality of education, not government school. That's why you are coming here.
How it is hence prove? Prove it.
Because you
How
are
it is
coming
hence
for
prove?
professionalism in the private sector, not a government sector.
Sir is also a government teacher. Sir is also a government.
He's a teacher.
Because I mentioned that we are here for professional speaker to become professional
Better,
speaker.
na?
According to you,
Yeah.
in private school, the schools are English medium, but we are the student of Urdu medium. And I want to correct you. In private school, it is the injustice of the student. Those cannot afford the fees. You are totally wrong.
That's fine.
You
You
are-
are coming in here. in
What
the
about the
private
poor
school.
student? Those cannot afford the education.
So
They are the future of the Pakistan.
they can apply for the scholarship because government
Everyone
also
cannot get
providing a
scholarship. Every student cannot get the scholarship. Why?
It depends on the hard working, not depend on the
But
students.
Pakistan's situation is not good.
If you will do hard work, so you will go in the private sector and you will get the scholarship. But if you wanna not do any hard working, so you will go in the government
But
sector.
in government school,
Yeah.
there is no need for
For
Yes. In Urdu you can ask, no problem.
सर वो मैं कल फाल भूल गया
No problem, no problem. बोलिए no problem.
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में तो हमें जरूरत ही नहीं होती स्कॉलरशिप की क्योंकि वो हमें फ्री में पढ़ाते हैं
Government schools are already free. Yes.
Yeah.
Free.
और
But if you want to go higher education, if you want to get higher education, so you need a scholarship, not
okay, according to you private school are good, so why Pakistani education system is not good in all over the
because
world?
cheating system is going on. If you
So-
control the cheating system, so private schools are better.
Okay,
than government
if private schools are
Right?
better,
According to you, private schools are better.
Yes.
So why private school students are doing cheating in the paper?
Why government school giving the permission? Why government school teachers are giving the permission to the students? That's why.
You say government teachers are give permission to
permission.
private teachers,
Yeah.
not government teachers. The system give
But the
punishment.
board exams going on in the government school and government
No.
teachers are the whole.
Board exam is
they
all-
are
board
giving the
exams is
permission
all-
to the students.
They are just running their businesses. They're just not providing the education.
There must be some challenges.
They are just running their businesses. They are not just providing the good education.
Okay. So why? How can you say that they are not providing good education?
Because you may see on TikTok
If I
private
talk
school
about
teachers
it,
are making the
if I
TikToks
talk about-
on
Government
with their
teachers also,
students.
it is
with
not
their
about
students.
TikTok.
But
It's not
government
about
school
the
teachers
TikTok.
are very strict.
How-
Government school teachers
how
are very
TikTok is
strict with
related
their
to
students.
education? Why you are talking about TikTok? There is no TikTok. We are discussing private sector and government sector. How can you say this?
You may see he's also a government school teacher. He's not a private school teacher.
Why always you are
He's a
point out
teacher.
him?
He's a teacher. Why
He
should
is
I not
also a
point
teacher
out
of
him?
private sector. He is also a teacher of private.
In government school, teachers are very strict to their students. That's why they get good
That's
education.
why they can't get good
As
education.
you say, private
Because they are
schools,
too
or you say
much
private
strict.
schools give you the best education.
What?
You say private schools give you the best education. So why are you learning here? Why did not you
It's
get
also
the
a
good?
private. It is also a
Okay,
private.
let's talk about quality of the student. Where do we see quality of the student?
Sir, you may see. Sir,
In
you may
government
see.
school students,
Sir,
they
you
have
may
no
see.
awareness. They have no awareness.
About the ratio of successful
You may, sir, we can see.
product of government school or private school.
Sir, wait. I can
Private
prove it.
school,
I can
private
prove- I can
school.
prove. We can see the lawyers, bureaucrats, generals, and the most of the ministers are learned from government schools. They
But
didn't
they
learn
take
from the
basic
private
study
schools.
from private schools.
Yeah.
They take basic study from private schools.
They all of them.
And-
You
and
don't have
any
much
kind of
knowledge. You don't have much knowledge.
How can they get education? How did they get education from private school? If you talk about any bureaucrat or minister who is 70-year-old or 65-year-old, so private schools were not
there at that point of time. They were government schools.
Sir,
We have a good ratio of successful people. They learn from government
a
schools.
lot of students, they just get education, they just complete their matriculation, they just do run any business. They don't do for Pakistan as well. They don't do. How can you say?
I'm
They
talking
just-
about the successful people of Pakistan. I'm talking about the successful people of Pakistan
Okay,
who learn from the government
if I talk
schools,
about the
government
private
colleges,
sectors are
government
not good,
universities.
so why it is promoting day by day?
Yeah, repeat your
If,
question.
if private sector is not good, so why it is promoting day by day?
Who promoted the private system?
All are promoting is
Government have good policies. Government schools have good policies.
Even-
Government schools have
even
good
parents
short
are-
courses. They provide you good skills. They provide you free courses. But private sectors are just taking the high amount of money just to give you a simple skill.
Okay, thank you very much. Clap for everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That's it from today's class. Thank you very much.